The 2025 Kia K5 is a mid-size sedan that combines updated styling, advanced technology, and a comfortable driving experience. It offers a range of features that make it a compelling choice in its segment. Design and features. The 2025 K5 showcases a refreshed exterior with redesigned headlights and taillights, along with a new front bumper featuring larger faux vents. The interior has been updated with a pair of 12-inch screens, replacing the traditional gear lever with a rotary selector and introducing new technological features. Design and features. Performance. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 191 horsepower and 181 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more power, the GT model offers a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 290 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque. The GT model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. Interior and comfort. Inside, the K5 features a spacious cabin with high-quality materials. Standard amenities include a 10-way power driver's seat, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and wireless smartphone charging. The interior layout is both sophisticated and straightforward, with attractive materials such as wood trim on the dash and doors. Technology and safety. The K5 comes equipped with a suite of technological features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 10.3-inch center touchscreen. Safety features include forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, and lane keeping assist. Conclusion. The 2025 Kia K5 stands out in the mid-size sedan market with its blend of style, performance, and technology. Whether you're seeking a daily commuter or a vehicle for longer journeys, the K5 provides a well-rounded option that balances practicality with driving enjoyment.